Hey guys, what's up? So we're going to Maui and then my cousin's wedding in Seattle. So pack a bag with me and let's get ready. We're leaving tonight at 1:30 a.m. It is currently like 2 a.m. so I guess like not 2 a.m. it's 2 p.m. because we got church tonight, and then after church we're going to go to Anchorage and then go to the airport. So I'm so excited. We're going to Maui. It'll be my first time going to Maui. I'm going to a conference there at the King's Cathedral there, so I'm so excited. So pack with me and let's get ready to go. So I just got this new bag. It's so cute. I actually really like it. Hold on. Okay, so I just got this new bag. It came in yesterday. It's cute. It's like a duffel bag. It's a backpack. So I'm gonna take a backpack and then my suitcase. But my suitcase right there. But I'm gonna save my suitcase just for a whole bunch of food that I'm gonna take from Hawaii because I love the food there. And yeah, so just gonna try to put my clothes in here. So we're just gonna try to pack real light. So let's do this thing. So probably gonna wear my jeans tonight for church. These are the only shorts I have, so shorts. Probably gonna buy some more clothes when I go, but these will be my sleepy time shorts, and then swimming shorts. Okay, and we got this swimsuit. It's actually my sister's, but that's okay. Got my yellow swimsuit. I love this color. It's so pretty. So swimsuit. I'm bringing mostly hot clothes. It's supposed to be warm. So I got this. It'll go with my black leggings, which are in the washer right now. So what I think about when I'm packing is like good walking pants, because I'm gonna be walking a lot. So pants that I got thick thighs, so when they rub together, like, you know, hurts if you're walking too much. So I'm gonna take this one for sure. This one will go with the black shorts or the black leggings. I'm gonna buy a new dress, so we have to go to the mall sometime when I'm in Hawaii, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring this dress. This is cute. It's like my jumper. Yes, we're gonna bring my lava. This goes with everything. Gonna bring my black tank top because that also goes with everything. Made myself a shake. I want to go change the laundry. So anyways, let's get back to the packing. Some underwears. Oh, my other swimsuits I have, and bras, obviously. I think I might just buy new stuff because I need new stuff. Cheers! Some underwear. Bra. Ooh, fanny pack. That's good. I got like 3 swimsuits. Yeah, that's pretty good. Why not? You can almost just wear it as an outfit too. My shoes that I want to bring is my slippers and then my sandals. We're not bringing shoes. Toiletries. Can't forget toiletries. I bought some travel size contact solution. This is my travel shampoo stuff. This is my favorite perfume. Mysterious Rainbow. Water Lily white tea body butter. It smells really good. Like, it smells really good. Those are the 2 things I always buy because I like the smell of them. Because I hate buying perfume that I don't like. You know what I mean? Oh, I was thinking about bringing this. this is actually like, it's like a cardigan, you know, like a blanket. Instead of bringing a blanket, I just bring my cardigan. So now let's put it in the bag. I am waiting for some stuff in the dryer, but it's okay. Well, we'll shove it in there. Also, I gotta pack all my cord stuff. I got my headphones, my iPad, I just bought this. It's a body cam, so I can record like everything and like not have to hold it. Then I got my portable charger, and then extra headphones just in case, because I love listening to music all the time. That's about all my electronics that I'm gonna bring. I'm so excited. What am I gonna wear tonight? Let's pick out what I'm wearing tonight first. Blue or white. They're just long sleeve shirts. I think we'll do the blue one. Okay. Start with her undergarments. We're gonna put that in first. So we'll get there tomorrow afternoon, which is Thursday, and then I'm gonna be there till next Tuesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So 6 days in Hawaii, and then we're going to Seattle. So like 11 days all in total. I'll be in Seattle for like 4 days, and then so 11 outfits, give or take 11. So we gotta find clothes that we can mix match, okay? That's the tricky part. Oh, we're also taking Husky with me. This is my travel animal. Laundry is finally done. So now we can finish packing our bag. Taking these leggings. So we'll have leggings, jeans, black jean shorts, and then orange. Yeah, 2 pants, 2 shorts. My towel's important. This is my microfiber towel. It's nice because it's nice and skinny. Towel. I guess I should bring something to sleep in. I'll bring my Nike dress. Oh, I gotta find it. We're gonna bring these. These are like half size ones. These are good for them. So this would go good with my black tank top. And I also got a pink one. It's cute, it's pretty. And then I got a yellow one too. There's the yellow one. This one's a little bit ripped, but it's still pretty. But I'm gonna be at a church conference like most of the time, so that's why I gotta bring like church attire. I got my pajamas that I'm gonna wear. I'll wear my shorts and then baggy shirt. Comfy. Love them baggy shirts. And I got my Nike dress. And then I can wear my shorts with that too. Now, just make sure we have everything. Grabbed my sandals. These are my slippers that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna bring these. And I'm gonna be wearing my other sandals for church tonight. Shove that in there. Okie dokie, let's start putting things in the bag. So now that I think about it, I don't think I want to bring my jeans, because I don't want to wear jeans on the plane. I'm gonna wear my leggings. Okay, 8 underwears. And my jumpsuit. I'm gonna wear this tonight instead, so I can wear my leggings so it's easier, because I don't want to wear jeans on the plane. definitely bring my glasses. I have another pair over here. So it's like pretty full. It's like right there, as you can see it. So I got like this much more space. Because I lost the lids to them. Maybe I should put this stuff in my suitcase. Just make sure all this fits in there. The suitcase that I'm taking. It's a little bigger than a carry-on one. But I'm gonna fill it with like food and stuff. So that's why I try not to put my clothes in there. But I think for the way there, I'll put my clothes in there because so I don't have to carry it around, you know. So now I'm just gonna pack my other backpack. So I also have this one, this backpack. This is like my everyday bag. So like when I go walking to like the store or something, I always have like a bag on me, like all my stuff. This bag, I just like my wallet and some chapstick, a rain thingy, a little first aid with some band-aids, and some lotion, just like stuff like that. My iPad and some of the cords and stuff. Okay, so everything is pretty much packed. We got my bag all packed. I just want to make sure it all fit in that bag, but we're just gonna put it in my suitcase now. So, yeah. Okay, we got our suitcase all packed. I'm gonna take a shower before I leave, and then I'll finish packing the rest of it, which is just like iPhone cords and the stuff that's charging right now. But anyways, yes, thanks for joining me with packing. Stay tuned for the Maui trip. It's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. Anyways, you guys have an amazing day. God bless.